Lists are HTML elements that allows us to handle array of data in the way that is the best for us. There are three different types of lists in HTML. There are unordered lists, ordered lists, and description lists. What are description lists? Well, description lists are a type of HTML lists that are good to use in cases where we have data that contains element and description of that element. For example, if we have description of some course. So basically, we will have name of lesson and description of that lesson. For description lists, we start list with el start tag and we will end our list with el end tag. Title of list element we represent through dt HTML element, and description of that title we will represent through dd HTML element. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.